Hi everybody and welcome back to Cassandra's Plants. Today I'm going to be opening a plant mystery box. This I saw advertised online and it was really popular in a couple of the houseplant Facebook groups I'm in the UK. And it's from Elm, and they do various different mystery boxes from £20 all the way up to £100. And I think, so I've got the £30 one and it's supposed to be £40 worth of plants. I have no idea what it is. I've seen some of the plants that other people have got online and they look really good and definitely worth the money. And all I've done on this box is literally open the sellotape and take out the packing information, and that's it. So here we go. I don't know, I really genuinely don't know what's in this box, so let's have a look. Obviously you can see that it's a bit bashed up, so I'm really hoping that the plants were okay. But I ordered this on Thursday. It's now Saturday morning, so that is a really quick turnaround, which is great when you're ordering plants. So let's have a look. A couple of stickers. So what have we got? Nice little elm motif. It's pretty cool. Another little elm sticker. I do like these little bits that they send with you. And a little card, and on the back of this card I've just seen it says a code for 10% off my next purchase, which is very nice. So I'll be using that if this is any good, definitely, to see if it's worth the money in the box. So as you can see, I can see at least a palm, or what looks like another pile of palm, I can never say that, and what looks like some sort of prayer plant. So let's have a go at this one first. Maybe we'll try this one first. So let's have a look. Take these packing bubbles out. So I actually paid for express shipping from DHL, which I think was £5.99, and it's the next day if you, well, sort of the next day, if you order Monday to Thursday before 2 o'clock on Thursday, and it will be delivered. And then I think any orders after Thursday are shipped on Monday and then delivered next day if you order express shipping. So I always try and do that with plants. I don't have an issue with scrimping on packaging for plants and postage. So this, it's not labelled. Oh, so I know it's a Maranta, and I know it's a type of prayer plant. And if you've watched my other videos, you know that I'm not the best with names. But as you can see, it's beautiful. It's got a new leaf coming already. There's a couple of packing bubbles in the mud, but that's fine. And there's a new leaf down there. So I'll just take the plastic off. So we can... Oh, maybe I won't take the plastic off. Not yet, because the mud is falling out. But you can see, if I hold it down here, that is a very nice looking plant. I don't have one of these, which is a bonus. I do have other Marantas. I've got a little prayer plant in my hallway, and my mum is giving me a Setosa, which is a big one that she's got that she's just split. So I'm looking forward to getting that, but always welcome to add to the collection. So that's the prayer plant. Now let's try and get this palm out. Oh, there's something little down here hiding in the corner. I don't know how many plants are in here either, which is nice. So I'm completely doing this blind. Oh, it's a big one. Okay. Let's try and do this down here then. I'm trying to find the edges of the pots to pick them up. There we go. Now, just by looking at the leaves, I have no idea what this is. Oh, I think this one is labelled, which is good. Let's have a look. So this says it is a Cissus striata. I hope I've said that right, make sure it doesn't fall out. And it has a label of £100. Reading that right, £100. So as I said, I paid £30 for this box. And to be honest, I don't know what this plant is. I've not seen it before. It's beautiful. Look at the foliage on it. It looks very similar, almost like a baby Schefflera or umbrella plant in how the leaves are formed, but I don't know what it is. And it's obviously trading, and I love trading plants. And it's got £100 on it. So I'm a bit shocked by this one. I'm going to have to do some Googling to find out about this one and how maybe it flowers, maybe it's a foliage trading plant, I don't know, but I'm going to have to look it up. So if you know anything about this plant, please do leave me a comment and give me some tips and advice. That would be very welcome. I'm just going to put this one on the table. Now, let's try the next one without making too much mess. Beautiful palm. Now, if you watched my house tour video for May, you'll see that I've already got a palm in my bathroom that got a bit sunburnt. It's doing really well now, and it's really happy up there because it's very humid in my bathroom, so maybe this will be a nice little friend for it up there. So yeah, I was right. So here we go, look, a little pile of palm that looks in wonderful condition. It looks very similar to the one that I've got, and it's definitely not sunburnt. So do love a palm. And they're so easy, they're such easy plants. As long as you can get them in the right conditions, they just do what they like. They don't cause any trouble, they don't drop leaves, they don't wilt, they just, yeah, they're just happy little plants. So can't really moan about that. So I'll move this one just down here for a moment. Okay, so oh, there's a box, another box in a box. So that's 3 plants so far. Now there's a 4th one out, which is heavy. And I can't tell what this is. Just taking some of these bubbles off because it's got a bit wet. Now, oh, it's all stuck. This one is labelled, and I've just seen a sneak preview at the label. And if it's what I think it is, I'm going to be very happy. The tissue paper has got a bit wet, but that's okay. Go. So this one, it's got a couple of sad leaves, but that's okay. Here we go. It's some sort of Calathea, I'm presuming. It doesn't say what type. So if anybody knows what type of Calathea this is, let me know. Obviously I've got a big Calathea medallion upstairs, and I thought all Calatheas were sort of had reddy pink tones or were variegated or had slightly different colourings to them, like the Tristar and different ones like that, and the Rosy Picta, but this looks like a foliage one. But that is a big plant. Look at that. Wow, and it's heavy. It's really heavy and really compact. So, and look at the shapes on those leaves. That's amazing. So another one I'm going to have to go and do a little bit of a Google on. A small bit of damage to the side, but on a plant this size, that's not that big a deal. We'll just whip those leaves off. But wow, another big one. I wonder how much this would be worth outside of a box. So I'll just pop that one down there for now. Okay, now there's another box in here. Another box, and I didn't know there was a box in a box, so I haven't opened this. So let's open it. Let's move the camera slightly so you guys can see. There we go. Feels like Christmas. Oh, I can see some foliage peeking through. Right, so let's go for this one first because there's multiple plants in here. I can't believe I've got so many plants. Right, so I'm just going to put this box back down for a second. So, take these bubbles off. See the foliage. Another plant I don't have. These are incredibly well packed. There we go. I don't know what these are called. The plant passport says Hypoetes, which I'm guessing is the Latin name. But I can't remember. I know you get different coloured versions, so you get pink ones, white ones, which is this one. And they do look a little bit like a nerve plant, but they're not. But look at that. Beautiful little specimen of a plant. That will go amazing on my little new display shelf that I've got. But yeah, if you know the common name for this plant, please let me know. I'll put the on the table. Now let's see what's in this magical box. Oh, oh, ah, I know what this is. So, there we go. This is a Syngonium arrowhead in pink. I've already got one of these, but that's okay because this little one is pretty awesome looking. Look at that. It's like a baby one. See, the one I've got is doing really well. It's living in my hallway at the moment. But yeah, I love the colour of these. Such like a pale, dusky pink. And the shape of the leaves are amazing. And I love how the new ones all sort of bunch into each other and flop out the middle. And yeah, it makes such a lovely looking plant. But yes, that's a Syngonium arrowhead in pink, sometimes called neon pink, but I don't think it's a neon. Yeah, look at that, awesome. Now, I think there's one more in here. Oh, and I can just about see what it is. Oh, it's big. Oh, I think there might also be another one in there, hiding in the corner. Let's take this out. So this is take the paper off. So this is actually a nerve plant, and it's the pink and green, pink vein nerve plant. And I've already got one of these as well, but this is much bigger than the one that I've got. Look, it's lovely. A lot of people think that these are really difficult plants to look after because they can be quite temperamental and wilt at the drop of a hat if they want water or anything, but they bounce back so quickly that they're pretty easy. They sort of tell you what they want. They're almost like a baby in that the second they're dry, they'll sort of flop over, or, you know, they're pretty easy to look after. And they're also great terrarium plants. If you're into terrariums and little things like that, they're great to put in there. So I will put this one over there for a moment. Let's see what else is in this box. Oh, there is one more. Oh, there's a cactus. Look at that. Little spiky friends. I think these ball cactuses are some type of euphorbia, but cactuses, I'm even worse on than normal plants, normal house plants, but that's a pretty cool looking one. I like that one, nice and spiky. I have got other cactuses that catch me all the time, so I'm going to be really careful with this and put it to one side, just while I make sure that there's nothing else in the pot, in the box even. So just put that up there. Let's have a look. No, the little box is empty. See if there's anything else in here. No, that's empty too. So, how many plants did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plants for what's that? £30. Supposed to be £40. I don't know where I could get 8 plants for £40. Not of that size and of that quality. Even in places like Lidl or Aldi that do a lot of plants nowadays, I think you'd struggle to get that variety of plants, and especially one with £100 label on it. I don't know if they've done that for show or whether that's genuinely £100 plant. If you know, let me know. But so yeah, I think I'm definitely going to invest in the £40 box just to see what they put in it out of curiosity, and they've given me a 10% off, so I can't really not do that. But I think if you're in the UK and you can get to Elm, and I'll share the link to the website in the description, go for it. Go for it. Buy it if you've got houseplants. Definitely 100% verified, and yeah, very, very happy with the contents. So let me know what you think. If you like these mystery box videos, let me know, because I do have another mystery cuttings box coming soon. So we'll see that one as soon as that arrives. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell and give us a like, and I'll see you all again soon.